Hi children, today we are going to learn how to find place values in international system. Okay, let us see one example here. I am writing one example 392654316. Okay, so here write the place values in international system because we are finding place values in international system. No, so write the place values in international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, next yes, 10,000s, next yes, 100,000s here. Okay, don't write lakhs. This is international system, no? So 100,000s. Next millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. These three place values makes ones period, right? And thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. These place values makes thousands period, and millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. These place values makes millions period. So here we have three periods: ones period, thousands period, and millions period. Now find out the place values of each digit in this number. Okay. So see here, the place value of 6 is what? 6 into, yes, 6 into 1, because 6 is in ones place, no? So multiply 6 with 1 only. 6 into 1 gives what? Yes, 6. Right? Next, the place value of 1. Here 1 is in which place? Yes, tens place. So 1 into 10. Very good. 1 into 10 gives what? 10. So the place value of 1 is 10. And the place value of 3. Here how many hundreds are there? Yes, 300. So the place value of 3 is 300. So multiply 3 with 100 because 3 is in hundreds place. So multiply with 100 only. Okay, 3 into 100 gives what? 300. Now see the place value of 4. Here 4 is in which place? Yes, thousands place. 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000 is what? 4,000. So the place value of 4 is 4,000. Next 5. The place value of 5 here. 5 is in which place? Yes, 10,000 place. So multiply 5 with 10,000s. Okay, 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000s gives what? Yes, 50,000s. Right? So up to here we know how to find place values. Right? In Indian system also same like this only, no? Up to thousands, 10,000s place. Now see 100,000s here. Find out the place value of 6. What is the place value of 6 here? 6 into, here 6 is in which place? 100,000s, no? So multiply 6 with 100,000s. Okay, 100,000s. This is 100,000. 6 into 100,000s gives 600,000. Okay. 600,000. The place value of 6 is 600,000. Okay, 600,000. Next, the place value of 2. 2 is in which place here? Yes, millions period. Sorry, millions place. So multiply 2 with 1 million. Okay, 1 million. 1 million. 2 into 1 million gives what? Yes, 2 millions. This is 2 millions. Okay, ones period, thousands period, and millions period. 2 millions. Next, find out the place value of 9. 9 is in which place here? Yes, 10 millions place. So 9 multiply which number? Very good, 10 millions. Multiply 9 with 10 millions. So 9 into 10 millions gives what? 90 millions. 90 millions. Okay. Next, last one, 3. Find out the place value of 3. Here 3 is in which place? 100 millions place. So 3 into 100 millions. 3 into 100 millions. 3 into 100 millions gives 300 millions. Okay, 300 millions. Ones period, thousands period, and millions period. 300 millions. Okay. 300 millions and 90 millions, and the place value of 2 is 2 millions, place value of 6 is 600,000, place value of 5 is 50,000, and we know all this, right? So this is the way to find the place values in international system. Okay, see here we have one bit. Write the place value of each circled digit in the following numbers in international system. We know how to find place value in Indian system, right? So here in international system we have to find the place value. So in international system, what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and after that 100 millions, right? So here we have up to 10 millions only there. So here we have to find the place value of 9. So 9 is in which place here? Here 3 periods are there. See here, ones period, thousands period, and millions period. This is millions period. So millions and 10 millions, right? So this is 10 millions place. 9 is in which place? 10 millions place. So the place value of 9 is 9 into 10 million. Multiply 9 with 10 million because 9 is in 10 millions place, right? So multiply 9 with 10 million. Okay, 9 into 10 million gives what? 90 million. Okay, next see the next one. In the B question, the circle digit is 2. So what is the place value of 2 here? Here also 3 periods are there. See, ones period, thousands period, and millions period. In millions period we have only millions place in this question. So what is the place value of 2? Yes, millions. So the place value of 2 is 2 into 2 is in which place? Millions place, no? So multiply with 1 million. Okay, 2 into 1 million. 2 into 1 million gives what? 2 millions. Okay, so the place value of 2 is 2 millions, right? Next is see that C question. Here the circle digit is what? 4. Here how many periods are there? Ones period and thousands period, right? Only 2 periods are there, ones period and thousands period. In thousands period we have thousands, 10,000s and 100,000. So the 4 is in which place? 100,000s place, right? So multiply 4 with 100,000. Multiply 4 with, this is the answer I am writing here. The place value of 4 is 4 into, okay, 4 into 100,000. 4 into 100,000 gives what? 400,000. This is 400,000. The place value of 4 is 400,000. Okay, and see that D question, the place value of 7 here. How to find here? 7 is in which place? 7 is in thousands place. Here ones period is there, thousands period is there, millions period is there. So here we have to find the place value of 7. So 7 is in which place? Yes, thousands place. So multiply 7 with the what? Yes, 1000 because 7 is in thousands place, right? So the place value of 7 is 7 into 1000. 7 into 1000 gives what? 7000. This is the way to find place value in international system. Okay, hope you understand this class, children. If you like my class, please like it, share it and subscribe it.